If you are an engineer tasked with managing environmental regulations, what are the regulations that you need to be concerned about? Let's listen in to Randy Flinders as he describes the various environmental regulations around the globe.
When someone is tasked with making sure that they achieve compliance throughout the world, it becomes a very big job right away. When we look from the point of view of regulations, we can see, like in Europe, we've got the EU ROHS directive, we have the EU REACH law, we have the EU WEEE directive, we have the POPs directive, the packaging directive, the battery directive, and the UK Modern Slavery Act, all within just Europe. Then when we move to Asia, we see we're dealing with China ROHS, Korean K-REACH, Taiwan ROHS, Japan ROHS as well. And also we have Turkey ROHS, United Arab Emirates also has a ROHS regulation. And then going into North America, we're dealing with the Canadian Environmental Protection Act, the US TSCA, California ROHS, California Proposition 65, US conflict minerals. So for an environmental or safety compliance engineer to try and grapple with all of this at once is very difficult. Trying to keep track of all the regulations, what the requirements are, and making sure that our company's products meet those regulations is becoming an increasingly more daunting task.
You can view the full-length recording of this and other educational webinars online for free at greensoftech.com/videos. Plus, go to greensoftech.com to learn about data services and software offered by GreenSoft Technology to help manufacturers comply with the environmental regulations that you saw listed in this video.